Okay, I want to welcome you to the this part of the training which is talking about how to fund our trading wallet. Before now, we have looked into the introduction to binary option trading. From there, we talk about how to register our account, as in our trading account, and then from there we move to account verification. Now it is time for us to fund our account whereby we can be able to use our accounts to trade and make money. Now, what is the way forward? All you need to do is to fund your wallet with the recommended minimum recommended funding uh, um, um, funding size, let me put it that way. So talking about, I recommend that you start funding your wallet account with at least $100 because that one will give you bigger leverage on your account for trading and profits. For example, now someone that have $100 in his account who is permitted to use 10% of the wallet funds to trade, which is $10. So if someone have $300 or $1,000 in his account, that means that such a person will have 10% of $1,000 will be $100 to trade with. And the bigger the percentage trading with, the bigger also the potential profit you will make from it. For example, now if you are entering a trade that gives you 70% profit on a trade, that means that if you have $100 in your account and you are using 10% of $100 to trade, which is $10, and if $10, 70% of $10 is of $10 will be $77, sorry, it will be $7. So for the same trade, and someone have on $1,000 in account and is using 10% of $1,000, 10% of $1,000 to trade, which is $100. If such a person traded with $100, his return will be 70%, $70, because we are looking at 70% profit margin. So 70% of $10 is $7. 70% of $100 is $70. The same trade, the same time, the same duration, just everything the same. But what is different? Returns, because of the funding capacity or funding size. Do you get it now? So that is why I recommend minimum of $100 so that will give you bigger leverage in trading and bigger return on your trade. So now that we are moving to how to fund and on pocket option, we have so many trading method. I mean funding method. We have about 4 funding method, which include card funding method, e-payment method, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency funding method. But like I said, the safest method I recommend is using bank transfer, since pocket option give us that option to fund our wallet, because that one is safer and you are safe. You are not risking using your card or exposing your card online. So that is the safest method. Or another safest method is either to use e-currency, as in e-payment, that is talking about pay perfect money and the likes. So you will see all the option, and also using your card. Another safest method is using your probably using your cryptocurrency. That one you are not exposing anything, you are paying directly to their own wallet. So but let me quickly see the payment method that we have and the one I will recommend. So all you need to do is click on, and before we go, if you are depositing for the first time, you are entitled to 50% bonus. As you can see, that is why some people was asking that they're asking for promo code, and I told you that if you are just for every new registrant, you are entitled to 50% bonus. That means that if you are depositing $100, you receive 50% of your $100, which will make you receive $150 in your wallet. So our wallet is zero. So what we need to do is that if you want to make deposit, click on this, and you click on this, you see top up, or instead of clicking on that, you can click on top up also. So any of the two ways will launch you to the payment page for you to see the payment method that is available. So while we are looking, let me go straight. I click on top up. You click on top up. Here are the payment method that we have. As it now, we have card method, and then especially we have for Nigeria, you can use this card method. So this is our naira card. So this is a dollar card, this is euro card, and then we have e-payment, which is perfect money, add cash, web money, and payer. So those are the e-payment money, and also we have bank transfer, that is for Nigerians, and also we have cryptocurrency. So anyone that you have, it goes. But like I said, the safest that will not expose your card online, or that will give you confidence of knowing who you are paying to, and also save your fund, your card and every other thing, is using bank transfer. So now like I said, just click on bank transfer. Is safest, cheapest, and the simplest way to credit your wallet, and it will take like about 1 hour for the money to reflect on your wallet here. So after you use this one, it may take like 1 hour before you see the fund here. And among other thing, one beautiful thing about this platform is that any money you are transferring, it is your wallet, you are going to pay with official CBN exchange rate, not black market. You get it now? Most of the time, you know, presently black market price in Nigeria is as much as over 1,000 naira, whereas the official exchange rate from CBN is between 7 to 800 naira. That's the truth of the matter. So now let's quickly go. Like I said, that what I recommend is bank transfer for safety of your card and your fund, your bank, your card and the fund in it. So click on transfer. You click on transfer, so you can see now that it took us here. Now look at it here. Now because you are just coming, that is your first deposit, you can see that you have promo. Automatically it will give you promo of 50% promo. So for example, now if I put $1,000 here, so guys, automatically it has added $500 bonus it, because 500 is 50% of 1,000. So assuming I put $200 here, you can see it gives me $300, because that is 50% of 200 is $100. I'm making 300. So all this now will make it will be $100 will be added. That is 50% of whatever amount you type here will be added when it is the first time of depositing. So now just decide on what you are going to deposit: 100, 150, 200, 300, 1,000, and the likes. Go ahead and do that. And then you select, you type whatever you want to deposit, then click on continue. So when you click on continue, you will see the bank account you are going to transfer into. You see the bank account, you see the bank number, and you see just every other details. So let's see. Don't forget that we are paying $200. You get it? So we are paying $200. Yes, we are paying $200. And now if you look at the screen, you can see $200. So if you look at $200 now, that is let me close it. 200, that is 154,000, 154,942, 942 divided by 200. You know, it's $200 we want to deposit. So you can see the exchange rate is 774 naira 71 kobo per dollar. So if it were to be black market, it will be telling you that you are paying 1,000 plus or for 15. So that is one good thing about this platform. The amount you are paying will be in a official exchange rate from a CBN, not black market. So now that we have seen it, so this amount you are paying, you can see it here. I say important please transfer the exact amount displayed on this page. Do you see now? So this is the amount we are transferring. So you transfer the exact amount here. You know, this is the exact amount of we want to transfer, and then this is the bank you are transferring to, bank name Wema. Do you get it now? And the account name is KPY-INV, and then the number you are transferring to is this. So now you have to do this transaction within 58 minutes. As you can see, make a single instant transfer from your bank to this account before it expires. So well, as like here now, within 5 minutes should be done, and then when you are done, then um it will automatically credit your account. All you need to do, because this account is generated for your account, you know, it is peculiar to you, no other person can use it. So that's it. So Wema Bank KPY-INV. So and you pay to this. When you pay into this account, it will be known that you are paying to fund your wallet, and automatically your wallet will be funded with 154,942 naira. So that is how to go about it. So that is the cheapest and simplest way to go about it. And then where you want to use your card, if you are the type that you are not skeptical about card, then you can decide to use another way that is cheaper for Nigeria and simple. Is you can now click on this card. You can see now, type the amount you want, $200, and then click continue. So you can see it now, 154. Can you see the same thing? And then you will enter all your detail, enter your card detail, every other thing, then your name, and then you click pay. Then you are good to go. And immediately you do that, then you will make your payment will scale through. So this is the way to make payment to fund your wallet on pocket option. And like I said, you can decide if you, that is the two-way for Nigerians, and then other methods are good if you think that you have it. If you have money in the perfect money, this one will cost you more, this one will cost you more. Before you buy from the merchant, they'll be selling it for you at a exorbitant price. So and then the same thing, funding cryptocurrency or whatever, you know. So whichever way that convenient for you, and in as much you have the money and the funding, by all means go ahead and do that. Is that okay? So but don't forget that if you are using perfect money or cryptocurrency, if you want to fund with $20, $100, make sure that you had at least $2 extra or $5 extra, because these people will collect their own transaction charges, as in Bitcoin or whichever one will remove a particular percentage for sending from that to the wallet of the pocket option. The same thing with perfect money. Do you get it now? But using bank transfer or using your card, it will not cost you any extra charges. Do you get it now? So that is what I want to say. So in the next video, now we'll be looking at, now that you have funded your wallet, the question is how to start trading with Signal daily. You have to start trading with daily Signal, as in how would the next step to start making money is to start trading, and you have to join our Signal group to be able to receive Signal and start trading. Do you get it now? So that is how to start trading with Signal. Good. So see you in this video. Thank you.